Hello everyone. Today I'm recording a video in a very interesting spot in my room because you don't need to see the state of my room right now. It's a mess and I don't have energy for cleaning today. What I want to share with you is that today I made animation. This animation I was planning to do since I was 14, so it was for 15 years. I had this animation in my head and I didn't do it because I didn't have necessary skills. So this animation is about my two birds that used to live with me. Unfortunately, they died many years ago, but I have very happy memories about them. Was two budgie birds, Cheetah and Sherlock. So I animated what I saw in real life many years ago. At that time I didn't have camera with me, and when I walked into the room I saw how Cheetah, female bird, was trying to teach other bird Sherlock how to get out of the cage. To be honest, I don't know why male's bird name was Sherlock, because to be honest it seems like Cheetah was Sherlock and Sherlock was Watson, or maybe I should say that he was Pinky and she was Brain in this duo, because she was the brain center of their duet. She was the smartest bird that I ever had, and I used to have 4 budgie birds in my life. At different times of my life. Now I don't have birds, but I really like budgie birds, and I like probably all birds, so I'm obsessed a little with it. I think if I would saw this in a real life, I would go insane, because I love birds. And budgies, I can't say how much I love birds. Okay, so hopefully everything will work out. I'll share the process of creating animation and the animation itself. I hope you like it, and thank you for watching.